guys, welcome to ako.dev. So today we're going to be talking about how to get out of Vim. Specifically, how we will end up in those scenarios by forgetting our M flag, the message flag when we make commits, and or when we make a pull and we get different files, different updates, and that also forces us to make a commit message, usually because of auto merge. So we'll talk about these two scenarios and how to get out of them. Hopefully this helps you not get stuck in the pit of darkness of Vim. So here we go.
All right, so for example, two classical ways of falling into Vim are pretty straightforward. I'm going to grab this file here, and I'm just in a regular repository. Imagine your work repository. And for example, here I'm going to update this and say, what happens if I forget the message flag in a commit? And I'm just going to save that. And I'm going to go here, and of course, if I do a git status, we should see that it says, hey, you have something that you've modified. I'm going to go ahead and do a git add -a for everything. And then I'm going to do a git commit. And if I do this, you'll see that I will fall into the infamous Vim screen, right? And how do I get out of here? Definitely, we're all going to panic. Well, the first reason we fell into this one is we forgot the -m flag for message. So we can go ahead and actually just write a message so we can finish our commit message. And we were going to type, just press the letter I, and I'm going to just continue the message. I'm going to go, here is the message I missed. And then once I finish my message, I'm going to press escape. And as you can see at the bottom here, I'm going to be able to do colon and WQ for write. So write everything I did or save everything I did, and Q for quit. Now, if I press enter, you'll see that here is the message has been added. So if I do a git log, one line, sorry, it's dash, of course, one line, and then -1, we will see that my last commit message is the one that we just wrote. Here is the message that I missed. And again, here's kind of a Vim window, but you can just do escape here, WQ or Q for quit. And now we're back onto the screen, right? And now we don't have anything in our git status. We're able to escape that Vim window. The other way of landing into this Vim screen is, let's say, somebody at your job is working on couple files. They create a couple files and they make modifications to those files. And then they do a git push like you would normally do for work. They finish their ticket. And now we want to pull those files. So I do a git pull right after I finish my commit. And I'm going to see that it's going to put me again into this Vim window. And why did that happen is because new files were created, new things were updated, mostly when you create files, and those were pushed up to the branch. I have a commit message on my computer. And since I have the auto merge functionality, so when you do git pull, it tries to merge all the changes so you can just, keep working. And what it does is, so it does the auto merge, and then that makes you be like, hey, you should put a message of what you're merging, or why are you updating, or when are you updating, right? So add additional information. Don't forget, the idea of Git is to have a log of changes and know what happens. So in this case, as you can see, it says merging from the master branch, right, into my current master, my local, right, master branch. And now if I want to change this message, again, I can do I could press I and type a message. If I think this message is good enough, I could press escape, colon, WQ. And again, this will write. So again, if we do a git log one line, we will see that it got saved with that commit message of, you're bringing in the master from the remote branch, you're bringing into the local branch, and you're just giving it some type of merge comment. And if you read it, that's what it says here, right? It says git merge branch of the repository into the master, right? The local master. And with that, again, so the command is going to be colon WQ for colon means getting to the part where you interactive part, W for write, Q for quit. If that would not work, we can always do Q and exclamation mark, kind of like using the force or like get me out of here, right? So colon Q, exclamation mark would be like the force flag. So that way you get out of that regardless. If that doesn't work, yeah, throw your computer out the window. I mean, not much options are left there. Great. So we hope this video is always useful. Keep putting your comments, suggestions. We'd love to keep bringing some good content for you guys. Thank you very much, and keep coding.